What is up, YouTube? It's your boy the Medic from Soul Medics, and today we'll be restoring these for the Love of the Game 7s. Today's restoration will consist of a general cleaning, a toe cap unyellowing, fixing scuffs and scratches on each panel. Same thing for the right shoe. So let's get into it.
Hey, goddamn, I'm winning. Hey, goddamn, I'm winning. I'm winning. Goddamn, I'm winning. Got money now, you done switched up on me. I used to think about how you would act when a nigga got money. Now you done switched up on me. Now you wanna say what's up to me. Okay, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing new, keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hope to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And we like, bitch, you with their own shit, we don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. This is shit I don't condone in. Cheating on your man, but you could get it if you want it. Looking for a bad bitch, I finally found a culprit. Nigga taking shots, send them back, check the postage, yeah. Hey, that nigga, why won't you shut up? This the motherfucker 502, come up. And every time I'm back in the city, every bitch with a hidden agenda run up. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And we like